Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding getting data source from web API. So some people might know what is web API, or somebody might not know what is a web service or web API. So it is an application programming interface that allows a web browser to communicate with a web server. So that means, okay, if you want to have some connection with another software, we use web API or we use API. So for example, you can use web API to get the videos from YouTube into your application, or you can get the tweets from X to your application, or you can display the Facebook account in your application. So similar way, we can get the data from another application to your Power BI desktop or Power BI service by using web API. For example, you can get the stock details data to your Power BI desktop or Power BI service, and then you can analyze the data. So we will do a similar thing. So how we are going to get the API? So that will be in a JSON format or almost like an XML format, and we can get it, and the Power BI will parse it, and that will convert it into the table. So we will try one. So you can go to the website called polygon.io, that you can sign in or you can sign up. It is free. So once you sign in, you will be getting the dashboard. You can click into the dashboard, and then you can go down and see here REST docs. So you can select that will open a new tab, and here you can see stocks API documentation, how you can get the stocks. So you can get the aggregators bar. So here you can give the name of the company for listing the stock. So here it is AAPL, means Apple company. So we will give it as MSFT, that is Microsoft. So from date to date, that means starting date and the ending date. Here it is shown as 1 month difference. So let it be 1 month difference, and let it be sorting as ascending also. You can get it in the JSON format, or you can download it in the CSV format. We will go for JSON format, and you can run the query. And once you run the query, this is the format. This is the data. That there we are going to get the data. This is the data. So instead of copying this and getting into confusion, you can just copy this URL. You can just copy this URL, and you can go to the Power BI desktop. You can go to Home tab, get the data from web, and you can paste this URL here, the basic, or even you can go to advanced. Advanced means you can split it into 2 parts. So we will do it for in the basic itself, and you can just click OK. You got the entire details, the Power Query. Now, whatever details you want, you can take it, or whatever details you need, you can have it, and the remaining one you can just take it out. You have all the values. Now with this respect to the values, you can analyze the data. This is for Microsoft account, and you can close and apply, and you can analyze the data. This is the way of getting API or web API in Power BI. Have a nice day.